To integrate Whoop Charge, start by understanding what it is and how it works. Whoop Charge is a wireless charging technology that allows users to charge their devices without the need for cables. The process begins with obtaining a Whoop Charge module, which is a small device that can be placed under a table or desk. Next, connect the module to a power source and ensure that the device you want to charge has a Whoop Charge compatible receiver. If your device does not have a built-in receiver, you can purchase a separate receiver that can be attached to your device. Now place the device on top of the Whoop Charge module and the charging process will begin automatically. The module uses electromagnetic fields to transfer energy to the receiver, which then charges the device. To ensure safe and efficient charging, make sure the module is placed on a flat surface and that the device is centered on top of it. Also keep the area around the module clear of any metal objects, as they can interfere with the charging process. Best practices for integrating Whoop Charge include using a high-quality module and receiver to ensure efficient charging and to minimize interference. Regularly clean the module and receiver to prevent dust and dirt from accumulating and affecting performance. It is also important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the module and receiver and to ensure that the device is compatible with the Whoop Charge technology. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Whoop Charge into your daily life and enjoy the convenience of wireless charging.